the 10 eggs. Ted ran fast.
I think she might be going over homework, so we'll leave that paused.
Wait, did you mute it?
I paused it and muted it since you already read what she was having those kids read.
Ted fell on the sack. Ted had a wet mess. Yes, a mess.
Yes, a mess.
Why
Remember, because if he fell on the sack, what was in the sack?
A mess.
No.
Oh, eggs.
And then, so when he fell on the sack, then Ted had a wet mess. Yes, a mess. And then what does this say?
A bad, sad mess.
And then right here.
Get the rag. Ted got a
Nope. Get the rag, Ted. And then
get a pan. Pet.
what is it?
Pat
Mm-hmm.
at the mess. Yes.
Yep. And
Yes.
then this is the last page.
Let
Mm-hmm.
pet wet get can ran can pen.
Okay.
Right, pencil.
All right. Draw lines to match the rhyming words. So, what is this line?
Mess
Okay.
Ted. Mess Ted. Nope.
No.
Mess. Yes. Mess yes.
Okay.
L fell. Tell fell.
Mm-hmm.
Red Ted.
Now, do you notice anything with any of these rhyming words? Like, do you notice anything with mess and yes?
And they both rhyme.
Okay, and what do they have that make them, do you think, rhyme?
They both have the same two words.
You mean what same letter do they have?
L and E.
I'm talking about mess.
Oh, mess. One mess and yes have both S's.
Okay, what about red?
Red is matching with Ted because they both have E's and D's.
That's I like how you noticed they both have E and D. It's not just one letter. What about fell?
Fell mostly just has wait,
Uh-huh.
I already did.
I know, but what do they have in common?
They don't both have
Do they have a letter in common?
Yes.
How many?
2. Wait. Yep, only 2.
So fell and tell only have 2 letters in common?
Wait. This is fell.
Right. And this is tell.
But they're both
I feel like
wrong.
I see, well, they rhyme, but I feel like I see 3 letters that they both have in common.
Are they both
They
T's?
both have E-L-L and E-L-L.
Exactly, that's what it said.
No, you said they have 2 letters in common,
Which is they do.
but they have 3. They have 2 different letters in common, but all together they have 3 total letters in common that are the same in each word. Because if we took that T off and we took the S off, it still has E-L-L. We can make another word. What other words can you make with fell and tell? What's another rhyming word?
Pell.
I don't think that's a word. So, fell, tell.
Poultry mess.
Okay, you're done.
What?
I said, I guess you're done. So let's listen to your teacher. She's going to give you homework.
Do I have to do that? No, I don't have to do that because that's what I already did.
Pages 34 and